everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. Ukraine says it has started repairing power lines for Chernobyl plant. Ukraine told the United Nations nuclear watchdog that its technicians have started repairing damaged power lines that serve the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, and that additional fuel for deals and generator that power nuclear storage facility have been delivered. The development comes after Ukraine says power lines for the closed plant were disconnected by the Russian forces that had targeted the facility in February, soon after invading Ukraine. Ukrainian officials have repeatedly asked for a ceasefire so that technicians could restore power energy and resupply the plant where the major nuclear disaster took place in 1986. Electricity is needed to cool spent fuel, ventilation and fire extinguishing system. The plant has been relying on emergency diesel generators. According to Kyiv, the International Atomic Energy Agency has said the Chernobyl plant disconnection from the power grid would not have a critical impact on safety function. The volume of cooling waters in the spent fuel facilities is insufficient to maintain heat removal without a supply of electricity, is said in a statement Friday. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.